Welcome to our new IFRS Assurance Service. It's an initiative of OG Education Limited. It's dedicated to providing complementary and supplementary education on International Financial Reporting Standards (IFRS) through a multiple-choice question and answer approach. It is intended to make learning or intellectual assurance fun. In this session, we shall be considering cumulative 10 questions of set 7, to which the answers have been provided on IFRS 18. This is the standard on presentation and disclosure in financial statements. Viewers and subscribers have 15 seconds to select or choose the answer to each question. The answers to the 10 questions are reviewed at the end of each question. Please enjoy it. Question number 61. Which of these holds on IFRS 18 amendments on other standards? A. The amendments to other standards are applied before the application of IFRS 18. B. The amendments to other standards are applied after the application of IFRS 18. C. The amendments to other standards are applied together with application of IFRS 18. D. The amendments to other standards are applied after 2 periods of applying IFRS 18. E. The amendments to other standards are minor and thus not applied. Time counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 61 is C. The amendments to other standards are applied together with the application of IFRS 18. C. The amendments to other standards are applied together with the application of IFRS 18. On the issuance of IFRS 18, it led to major amendments in certain standards and minor amendments in others. Irrespective of the nature of the amendments, an entity applies these amendments to other standards only when it applies IFRS 18. C is the answer to question number 61. Question number 62. For an entity that presents 3 statements of financial position in a current reporting period ended December 31, 2024, what is the date for the first of the 3 statements of financial position? A. January 1, 2022. B. December 31, 2022. C. January 1, 2023. D. December 31, 2023. E. January 1, 2024. Time counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 62 is C. January 1, 2023. C. January 1, 2023. The date of the first of the 3 statements of financial position is the beginning of the comparative period. For a current reporting period ended December 31, 2024, the comparative period end is December 31, 2023. The beginning of December 31, 2023 is January 1, 2023. C is the answer to question number 62. Question number 63. Portfolios of contracts within the scope of IFRS 17 that are assets and those that are liabilities are A. Presented separately in the statement of financial position. B. Presented net at all times. C. Presented net when the assets are more than the liabilities. D. Presented net when the liabilities are more than the assets. E. Not presented in the statement of financial position but disclosed as notes. Time counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 63 is A. Presented separately in the statement of financial position. A. Presented separately in the statement of financial position. IFRS 18 entitled Presentation and Disclosure in Financial Statements prescribe the portfolio of contracts within the scope of IFRS 17 insurance contracts that are assets are presented as a line item in the statement of financial position, and the portfolios of contracts within the scope of IFRS 17 insurance contracts that the liabilities are presented as a line item also in the statement of financial position. Therefore, they are presented separately in the statement of financial position at all times. A is the answer to question number 63. Question number 64. An item that is presented separately in the primary financial statement is called A. A set of secondary financial statements. B. An element of financial statements. C. An aggregated item. D. A disaggregated item. E. A line item. Time counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 64 is E, a line item. E, a line item. A line item is an item that is presented separately in the primary financial statements. E is the answer to question number 64. Question number 65. In IFRS 18, offsetting of assets and liabilities or income and expenses, A may be allowed, B is always allowed, C is never allowed, D is at the discretion of an entity, E is at the discretion of a regulator. Time counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 65 is A may be allowed. A may be allowed. Generally, offsetting of assets and liabilities and income and expenses is not allowed under IFRS. However, IFRS 13 recognizes and permits offsetting when that is required or permitted by an IFRS accounting standard. A is the answer to question number 65. Question number 66. Income and expenses included in the statement presenting comprehensive income are presented in one of how many ways? A, 2 ways, B, 3 ways, C, 4 ways, D, 5 ways, E, 6 ways. Time counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time up. The answer to question number 66 is A, 2 ways. A, 2 ways. In IFRS 18, statement presenting comprehensive income starts with profit or loss and followed by other comprehensive income, which contains income and expenses. These income and expenses are classified in one of 2 ways. 1, those that will be reclassified to profit or loss when specific conditions are met. And 2, those that will not be reclassified. A is the answer to question number 66. Question number 67. Statement presenting comprehensive income starts with A, revenue, B, income, C, other income, D, profit or loss, E, other comprehensive income. Time counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Timer. The answer to question number 67 is D, profit or loss. D, profit or loss. Statement presenting comprehensive income begins with profit or loss. This is followed by income and expenses under other comprehensive income to arrive at comprehensive income. D is the answer to question number 67. Question number 68. IFRS 18 can be applied together with which of these? A, IAS 1 presentation of financial statements. B, IAS 8 accounting policies, changes in accounting estimates and errors. C, IAS 8 basis of preparation of financial statements. D, all of the above. E, none of the above. Time counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Timer. The answer to question number 68 is C, IAS 8 basis of preparation of financial statements. C, IAS 8 basis of preparation of financial statements. When IFRS 18 entitled Presentation and Disclosure of Financial Statements is applied, the new IAS 8 titled Basis of Preparation of Financial Statements is applicable concurrently. IFRS 18 replaces IAS 1 and the new IAS 8 replaces the IAS 8 titled Accounting Policies, Changes in Accounting Estimates and Errors. C is the answer to question number 68. Question number 69. In which month of year 2024 was IFRS 18 issued? A, January, B, February, C, March, D, April, E, May. Time counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Timer. The answer to question number 69 is D, April. D, April. IFRS 18, presentation and disclosure of financial statements, was issued in April 2024 to become mandatory applicable from January 1, 2027? D is the answer to question number 69. Question number 70. The income from investments in associates not accounted for using the equity method is classified under what category in statement of profit or loss under IFRS 18? A, the financing category. B, the operating category. C, the investing category. D, A or B. E, B or C. 10 counts. 5 seconds gone. 10 seconds gone. Time out. The answer to question number 70 is B, the operating category. B, the operating category. Income from investments in associates not accounted for using the equity method is classified under the operating category. Where the investments are measured by applying the equity method, income thereon is classified under an investing category. B is the answer to question number 70. That is all for this set. Thank you for joining us for the set 7 of IFRS 18, Presentation and Disclosure in Financial Statements. We invite you to subscribe to our channel, share our links, and invite those in your network to do the same. This will enable you and all other subscribers get direct notifications on future video uploads. For collaboration in this area, please call or WhatsApp +2349 030 770109. All rights to this production and others in this series are reserved for OJ Institution Limited. Thank you once again and bye for now.